Hello everyone, this is Bright Brains FX and I welcome us to my channel. I'm going to be sharing a great strategy, and this is the Deriv touch no touch strategy. The strategy is superb, it's awesome, and it's one of the best strategy out there, guys. I promise you that. Smash the like button, turn on the bell icons to get notifications when I post. So I'd like us now to give us a thumbs up and share our video on all social media platforms. You can also drop your questions in the comment section if you have any, so that I can reply them. So right now, we are currently on the Deriv Smart Trader platform. So let's get into it right away. As you can see, this is the Smart Trader platform. So you come here to the market, you change it to the synthesis. Yes, Deriv synthesis. And we're going to be using volatility Sen 5 1s index. Then the trade types, you go for touch no touch. Okay, now and right now change this to ticks. This will be 5 ticks. Yes, so for the barrier offsets, you can adjust the barrier offsets to get your desired outcome of income if you like, as it always changes, on a daily basis. So let's start here with +3. Okay, and we're going to be staking $100. Yes, so we're good to go. Next is to come to the charts. Yeah, then we come get our rights indicators. Okay, for the indicators, you just come to search and type MAC. Yes, this is where you see MACD, moving average convergence, divergence. Yes, very good, very good. Then the stroke, you do this at 2, so it's okay. Then make sure please you click on OK. Very good. So as you can see, the blue and the red line here, strategy is very easy. All we have to do is to make sure the red line crosses the blue line. That's the blue moving average at the top. The red will be at the top and the blue will be at the bottom. That's where we now make our trade. So let's go, and once you see that, you click on purchase here for doesn't touch. So let's be patient and see as it goes. Okay, it's going. It's going. Okay. It crosses now. You see, that's a one trade. That's a one trade. That's a one trade. $18 profit. Let's go. Going for another trade. Close this. Going for another trade. Remember, guys, the strategy is for the red line to cross the blue moving average at the top. So the red will be at the top and the blue at the bottom. So we're waiting again. It's coming again. Yeah. Beautiful. Check that out, guys. The contract has been won again. So let's just do one more. Strategy works, guys, and I believe you all can do this and make some good money. Using $100 to make $18 profits. That's wonderful. So let's watch it again. And trading is all about patience. And please do practice. Practice makes perfect. Practice this on your demo account very well before you go ahead to use your real account and make the money. So you understand the ropes when you practice it on your demo account. So guys, I trust you all can do this and can make a lot of money. So let's do this again. Patience, trading is all about patience and discipline. So yeah, it's crossed. Whoa, that's it guys. Trade have been won again. So 3-1 trades. And just like that, I've made over $40. So guys, please endeavor to like, share and subscribe. Practice it and start making your money. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Have a great day and God bless.